Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are happy to have you back and I want you all to know that we love and appreciate you all. So today we are going to look at a very important topic, how to create a safe space for our men. You see all the men in our life, you see our brothers, our boyfriends and our husband. We need to create an enabling environment for them so that they can open up with issues that are really killing them. So now I'm going to give you 5 practical tips on how to create a safe space for our men. Number 1 is encourage open communication. In many cultures, men are often raised with the notion that they need to be strong, that they should be strong and suppress their emotion. This can create emotional barriers in friendship and relationship. To create a safe space for men, it's crucial to break down those barriers by encouraging men to express themselves. Here is how to do so. Lead by example. Share your own feelings and thoughts to create a sense of trust. When they see you being open, they will feel safer doing the same. Ask the right question. Instead of just saying, "How are you?" why not ask open-ended questions like, "How have you been doing lately?" or "How are you feeling about everything?" Create a judgment-free zone. Make it clear that no matter what they say or how they do, it won't change how you see them. So reassure them that being vulnerable doesn't mean weakness, but it shows strength. For example, you can say, "It sounds like you've been really feeling overwhelmed lately," and follow up with, "That makes sense. It's understandable to feel that way." So now the third thing is respect their boundaries. This is very important. Creating a safe space also means understanding that not everyone is ready to open up at a particular time or way. Respect their space and boundaries when discussing sensitive topics. Give them space when needed. If a man isn't ready to talk about a particular thing, please don't force it. Pushing so hard makes them restrict further by telling you. Learn to give them space when needed. If a man isn't ready to discuss or talk about a particular thing, please don't force it. Pushing too hard can make them restrict further into themselves. Instead, let them know that you are there for them whenever they're ready to talk about it. Set the stage for trust. Very important. Establish that your relationship is a safe and confidential space. Assure them that whatever they say stays between the two of you, unless it's a situation where professional help is required. If not, please stay quiet. Avoid pushing pressure on them to share everything at once. That easily turns them off. Sometimes men might be willing to open up a little, but not entirely. Respect that partial openness and build on it over time. The fourth thing is use positive reinforcement. That's to say, when someone steps out of their comfort zone to share their thoughts and feelings, it's important to acknowledge and reinforce that effort. For men who may not feel vulnerable in doing so, positive reinforcement can help them feel more comfortable and confident in being open in the future. Thank them for sharing. Let them know that you appreciate their trust. A simple "thank you for telling me" can go a long way. Learn to acknowledge their strengths. Instead of labeling a vulnerability as weakness, frame it as a sign of strength. Say things like, "It takes real courage to open up like you just did." Reinforce positive behavior. If they continue to share their feelings, encourage this by offering continuous support and validation. Over time, they may feel safer and more likely to express themselves freely with you. The fifth thing is create an emotional safe environment. This is also very important. You need to create that emotionally safe environment for our men. Apart from direct interactions, the overall environment you create also matters a lot. This includes emotional, physical, and social context. Be mindful of your reaction if they share something that surprises you. Try not to react so strongly. Extreme reactions may turn them off or hesitate to share further. Change and openness don't just happen overnight. Be patient as they learn to trust you. Offer consistent support. A safe space is built on reliability. Be there not just during big moments, but also in their day-to-day interactions. Let them know that your support is always steady. So, creating a safe space for men is not just about conversation, it's about building an ongoing environment of trust, respect, and understanding. By practicing this method, you can help the men feel more comfortable expressing themselves, leading to a healthier and stronger relationship, whether it's a friendship, family, or partnership. Thank you for watching. And if you're a first timer on our channel, please do well to subscribe. And to our returning subscribers, thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for always being there for us. We love you all. Thank you. And please don't forget to check our previous videos. They are so exciting and they will help you. Bye.